The Sunjay Kapur will war, where Karisma Kapoor's children have gone to court. It's regarding a 30,000 crore rupee empire which has sparked the major Kapoor clash. It's heirs versus the second wife battle that's actually playing out. The Delhi High Court on Wednesday took up a plea filed by Bollywood actor Karisma Kapoor's two children, Samaira and Kian Raj, seeking a share in their late father Sunjay Kapoor's estate, which is estimated to be at a whopping 30,000 crore rupees. The plaint listed before Justice Jyoti Singh challenges Sunjay Kapoor's 21st March will, which purportedly bequeaths his entire personal estate to his third wife, Priya Kapur. The children have actually alleged that neither their father nor Priya ever mentioned the existence of such a will during his lifetime. Samaira has filed the case through her mother, Karisma Kapoor, as her general power of attorney, while Kian, who's a minor, is being represented by Karisma as his legal guardian. Let's get in my colleague Nupur Dogra, who's been tracking this story, which has now reached courts, and talk to us more about how it's likely to pan out from here. Nupur, are we looking at a messy public battle that will take place, given the fact that there is a lot of acrimony between wife number 2 and wife number 3 of Sunjay Kapur, that is Karisma Kapoor and Priya Sachdev? At least that's what many think it could be.
Well, Gauri, it is getting murkier by the day, as now it is not just Karisma Kapoor versus Priya Kapur. It is also Sunjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, versus Karisma Kapoor versus Priya Kapur. As we have seen, what happened in the High Court today was that, first of all, the kids petition claimed that a will has been forged by Priya Kapur. Now, Priya Kapur claims that already both the kids have benefited for nearly 19,000 crores of assets from RK Trust, and this will is separate, which deals with the personal assets left behind by Sunjay Kapur. So now, however, the kids claim that they were on very good terms with their father and they had a constant communication about their personal assets, and they say that it cannot be that the will in the will that he has left behind, which is also unregistered, by the way, it has been acknowledged in the court today that it is unregistered will, has excluded them completely from the personal assets, ownership of the personal assets of Sunjay Kapur. Now, Sunjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, has today made another claim in the court today, saying that she is contesting both the RK Trust as well as the personal asset will left behind by Sunjay Kapur, as she says that she has lost over 10,000 crores of worth of assets, and she says that if Karisma Kapoor's kids have got 19,000 crores of worth of assets, then she will fight against them also, because she has 7 grandkids and she is the one who should be deciding that all those 7 grandkids get equal and fair share. So this battle is now becoming murkier by the day, as today in the first hearing itself, every party has made their stance clear that they are not letting it go easily. For now, the court has sought details of all the personal assets left behind by Sunjay Kapur, and it will be important to see that in next hearing in October, if the court decides to finally provide a freeze on all of his assets.
Nupur, this is a story that's far from over. When there are so many court cases being slapped on each other, one can look at a messy legal battle from here on. But for our viewers, walk us through the next steps from here on. Notices have been issued. What happens next now in this court battle?
Well, for now, Priya Kapur will have to file a detailed reply to the allegations that are made by Karisma Kapoor's children in the court. Even Rani Kapoor, who's making other claims about RK Trust and she being excluded, she will also have to file her reply to the petitions filed by Karisma Kapoor's children in the Delhi High Court. Now, on October 9, the Delhi High Court will go through their responses and also the personal list of assets that stood on the date of demise of Sunjay Kapur. So what was exactly, the court will first see what was exactly left behind by Sunjay Kapur, and will also test the contentions raised by the suspicious nature of this will. Remember, Karisma Kapoor's kids are saying that this will is forged. Right. But the court will also have to test that will also. Now, it will be, from here, we will see that how the court takes this forward.
Well, it's pretty much how it ends up being when it comes to such battles, which is that a will is contested and you have to test whether that will is actually genuine or not. I'm going to leave it there. Nupur, thanks much for walking that detail for our viewers, walking us through those aspects of the case. But there's more update coming in. Let's quickly put that out as well. There's a statement that's come to light from Priya Sachdev. She's issued a statement saying that Karisma Kapoor's kids' assets are valued at a certain number and kids have already received beneficial interest. Priya Kapur has also issued in the statement saying that she's cooperating with the kids of Karisma Kapoor. Now, as we've been saying, this is a family feud that's getting murkier because of the fact, or actually messier from a legal point of view, because there are now multiple cases that have been slapped on each other, on various parties. There is the two wives, which is Priya, who's the third wife of Sunjay Kapur, Karisma Kapoor, the second wife. They are contesting each other's how much should be the amount that both of them should receive. Add to it the fact that the mother, that is Rani Kapoor, she has said that she should have a say in the distribution of Sunjay Kapoor's wealth amongst his kids, because there are 7 kids and there are 7 grandchildren and she should be the one deciding all of that. In the wake of that, there is now a statement that has been issued by Priya Kapur saying that the kids, Karisma Kapoor's kids who've gone to court, as Nupur was telling us about that court case, Priya Kapur is saying that the 2 children of Karisma Kapoor have already been given beneficial interest and there's complete cooperation that's happening on their side. All right, we have NDTV Prophet joining us, a reporter joining us to talk more on this in terms of what this could mean. Let's quickly rope them in.
Well, the Sona BLW saga has taken a new turn with Karisma Kapoor also getting involved in this case. But it's important to look at how this all started, because this was one of the key trigger points on 12th of June 2025 when Sunjay Kapur had an untimely death, and that's when this all saga of control of the family started as well. On a letter by Rani Kapoor, the mother of late Sunjay Kapur actually sent to Sona BLW on the day the company was expected to hold an annual general meeting this year, and that's when things got interesting, to say the least. In a letter dated 25th July of 2025, when the AGM was expected to happen and start at 1 p.m, just a day before that is when Rani Kapoor sent a letter to the company. She mentioned that by a will executed on 30th June 2015, she actually owns a controlling stake in Sona BLW, but that is one of the key disputed ones, to say the least. She was referring to a will which was left by her late husband and essentially giving her the stake in the company as well. Now, she mentioned that she was compelled to sign various documents at a time of distress when her son had passed away, and despite being under immense mental as well as emotional stress, she was made to sign these documents behind closed doors and was denied total access to her bank accounts at this particular time as well. Apart from that, it is mentioned that it is unfortunate that while the family was still in mourning, she was made to go through this particular cycle so that some other people could get control of the family stake as well. Basis of all these claims, we have seen that the company has come out with a clarification on that day itself for Sona BLW. In May 2019, we had seen that the company actually had received a declaration of ownership with a significant beneficial ownership was of Sri Sunjay Kapur, and he was basically a nominee of a company called AIPL, and Sona BLW recognized him as the nominee from that company into Sona BLW's board. Post that, Mrs. Priya Kapur, who's third wife of the late Sunjay Kapur, was nominated from AIPL into Sona BLW, and essentially that's how she got nominated on the board of directors as well. So all of this saga now gets a new turn, and a lot more will be to watch out for.